Today's July 3rd, and today's my birthday. And tomorrow's July 4th, which we do a lot of fireworks. And we're gonna get up early in the morning. We're gonna go bowling, and then to go eat dinner, and then we're gonna go have fireworks. And it's going to be fun. And today, since it was my birthday, we're gonna celebrate it tomorrow, and then they're gonna give me all the presents. And I hope you guys have a great 4th of July and have more holidays. So yeah, and I'll be doing more videos and more and more and more and more and more. So yeah, I will be doing more videos. So bye, and have a great July 4th. Have great fireworks. Bye.